Are you trying to use your MCP servers inside of your N8N workflow and you're hosted with Coolify and you can't get it to work? You found the right video. As you can see here, this is my self-hosted N8N that's on my Coolify. And as you can see, I actually I have it working just fine. It gave me all the information. I'm basically using the Airbnb. Let me go ahead and give you another example real quick. Let's go to Aspen, Colorado. And then as you can see, it spins through everything, goes through the client, and then there we go. I have all my replies. How awesome is that? What you're going to want to do is go to your Coolify dashboard, go to your projects, and then click on your N8N. Now, I do want to mention I have the N8N with the Postgres. Okay, so if I go here, and when you install N8N, there's two different versions available. There's this one, and then there's one with a database. So I have this one. I don't know about this one, but I know on my instance that I can shut mine on and off because that's how you have to update it. I have a video on how to update your N8N. I can turn this on and off without an issue because I have the database. But if you're worried about your workflows, I would look into a way in backing up your workflows. But like I said, I have stopped this, turned it on and off 100 times, and I've never had an issue. So I'm not going to act like the expert though. So you do what you need to do. But you're going to need to go into your projects, click on your N8N, go into your services. And then when you get here, we're going to edit the compose file. Okay, this is where I just got totally confused because I've been trying this for days. But we're going to go into edit compose file. And then when this opens, you're going to add this line to the environment. But you can see right here during the installation, we do need to do this right here where we install community package. Allow tool usage is set to true. So like I said, you're going to go to your environment variables here. Just go to your very last one, which should be this Postgres. Just hit enter and then hit a dash space and then basically paste this in and equals true. And I'm not going to save this, but this is all you need to do. If you do this, this should work. But do that. You're going to save it. I don't want to save and redeploy mine again, but you're going to hit save. It'll save this and then just come up here to restart. Click restart, takes a few minutes, but then go into your N8N and you should have access to all of your tools. For example, I just go here, search for MCP, you see MCP server client, list available tools. Now I'm still playing with all these. I'm still having some issues, but right now I do get it to work. Airbnb you don't have to have there's no environment variables on the Airbnb one. So that's why this is the easiest one to set up right now. All the other ones, I'm having a little bit of issues, but I just wanted to make a short video on how you guys can get your N8N working that's inside of Coolify. So I hope that works for you. Just go ahead and try that out and leave me any comments down below if you're still having issues. I'll try to help you out. So that's all I got for you today. Hope that works. Have fun.